Moms and dads out there, I'm gonna have to shoot this one quick because you never know when this one here is gonna start crying again. So just make sure you go to my website below and learn all about MCA. Look, you can do that even if you're at home with one of these because you don't have to go to an office. You don't have to take time off. You don't have to do any of that stuff. So how great is that? You can be sitting home taking care of one of these and still be raking in the money with MCA. Just get people over to your site. So go to my site below and check it out. There's a whole bunch of videos out there explaining the business, the benefits, the pay, what kind of income you may be able to make, all that kind of stuff. It's all right there on one webpage loaded with a bunch of videos that I created. I made it so easy for anyone to just go there and have all their questions answered. I mean, there's absolutely nowhere else you need to go to get information on MCA. My page right below here is the only one you need. And look, she's being cooperative. A few minutes ago she was screaming her head off, so I didn't even think I was going to be able to make this video. But you know how it is with kids. You're so busy running around, and how great is it if you can stay at home with them and still make money without having to go out and kiss some boss's rear end, right? So get on over to my page and learn about MCA and you won't be sorry. See ya.